the smell of fresh towels, a clean living room, spotless dishes, a hospital room made safe, a production line ready to run. Cleaning and hygiene products are part of everyday life, often taken for granted, only truly noticed when they are absent. They clean and delight, disinfect and protect. They make our homes more comfortable, healthier, safer. Cleanliness creates comfort, confidence, clarity, a sense of well-being. In public and shared spaces, cleaning creates places that feel fresh, welcoming, and cared for. In offices, schools, restaurants, gyms, public transport, and other public spaces, they build confidence in the environments we share. Beyond what we see, their role becomes critical. In hospitals and care homes, they act as a first line of defense against harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Here, hygiene is not routine, it is paramount. Behind the scenes, these products keep systems moving. They protect materials and help supply chains operate smoothly. And when a crisis hits, their importance becomes visible, helping contain outbreaks, supporting resilience when it matters most. What may seem simple is the result of continuous innovation. Today's solutions are smarter, safer, and more sustainable, designed to do more with less. Behind them stands a vast industrial ecosystem driven by research and expertise. Our sector is an important driver of European competitiveness. But its real value is not measured in numbers. It's measured in the moments it protects, the confidence it inspires, the well-being it creates, a quiet force helping build a healthier, stronger, more resilient Europe.